50 useful English phrases for meetings. 1. Nice to meet you. 2. Thank you for coming. 3. Let's get started. 4. How are you doing? 5. I'd like to introduce myself. 6. What brings you here today? 7. I appreciate your input. 8. Let's go over the agenda. 9. Could you please clarify that point? 10. Can we stay on track? 11. What are your thoughts on this? 12. Let's brainstorm some ideas. 13. I'm sorry, could you repeat that? 14. Is everyone clear on this? 15. Let's take a vote. 16. I have a question regarding. 17. Could you provide more details? 18. I agree with what you're saying. 19. Let's make a decision. 20. Can we schedule a follow-up meeting? 21. I'm afraid I have to disagree. 22. Could we explore alternative options? 23. That's a valid point. 24. Let's wrap up the discussion. 25. Can we set some action items? 26. I'll take note of that. 27. We should consider the budget implications. 28. I'm open to suggestions. 29. Let's keep the meeting focused. 30. I propose we prioritize these tasks. 31. We need to address this issue. 32. Does anyone have any objections? 33. Let's assign responsibilities. 34. We're running out of time. 35. Can we set a deadline for this? 36. I appreciate your expertise. 37. Let's summarize the main points. 38. Is there anything else we need to cover? 39. I'll follow up with an email. 40. I'll take care of that action item. 41. Can we set up a conference call? 42. We've made great progress so far. 43. I'm confident we can achieve our goals. 44. Let's make sure we're aligned on this. 45. I'm excited about the opportunities ahead. 46. It's been a productive meeting. 47. We've reached a consensus. 48. Let's review the next steps. 49. I'll circulate the meeting minutes. 50. Thank you all for your contributions. Thank you for watching. Happy learning!